Welcome! Today's video will show you how to add and drop courses from your schedule. Add Drop is located under the Registration tab in myBC. The myBC login button is located in the upper right-hand corner of the Broward College homepage. So I'll hover the mouse over it and then select myBC from the available options. Now we're at the login screen for myBC. Enter your student ID in the student ID field and enter your 6-digit PIN in the password field. Your PIN is initially set to your birth, 2-digit month, and full year. If you have changed your PIN and don't remember what it is, you can click the Forgot Your PIN link right below the login button and follow the prompts to reset it. Now let's go ahead and log in. Before you get to the myBC homepage, there may be several notifications and forms you need to review. Once all of these listed documents have been reviewed, you will reach your myBC homepage. To access Add Drop, hover your mouse over the registration link at the top of the screen to reveal the registration submenu. Now choose Add Drop from the available options. Choose the term you wish to register for and then click Select Term. If there are any holds preventing you from registering, they'll be listed here. It looks like I have an admissions hold, so I'll need to contact the Office of Admissions to clear that up. Once any applicable holds have been cleared, you'll be able to access the Add Drop page for the selected term. Scroll down a bit to get to the class search area. When searching for courses, enter common course numbers into the first set of boxes located here. If you happen to know the 6-digit reference number of a particular section of a course, you can enter the reference number here to add the course. Below each reference number search box, you'll find a drop-down that lets you indicate that you're searching for a course that has writing credit, a course that is part of the Honors College, or both. You can also import courses from your educational plan for the selected term into the search boxes by clicking the Import Ed Plan button located here. For more information on educational planning, please watch our tutorial video titled Your Interactive Degree Audit. Before we hit search, you'll notice that you can use these two drop-downs to narrow your search to a specific session within the term and a specific campus. You can also leave these at their default values and the search will display all sections of the course. There are also some advanced search options located toward the bottom of the class search page. From here, I can narrow my searches by selecting specific days of the week and times of day. I can choose specific instruction methods, such as online, blended, or honors, and I can pick specific subject areas to display all courses pertaining to that subject. I can also search by instructor name. So now let's hit search. This page displays the course search results in the following format: reference number, course ID, the campus that the course is located at, building and room number, the session that the course is in, the start and end dates of the course, the time of day that the course meets, the days of the week that the course meets, the amount of seats left in a course, and the name of the professor. You can click the name of a professor to access their contact information. It's very important to read the notes that appear under courses in the search results. They indicate important things about the course, such as whether or not the course is online or on campus or blended. It might indicate that a course is restricted to a certain student population, such as the Honors College, or a limited access program. This one works for my schedule based on the dates and times that the class meets, so I'll go ahead and select it by clicking the gray reference number button located here. Now we can see that the course has been added to my cart. I can click the Update Now button to save my schedule. If I scroll down a bit more, I see these two buttons. I would click this one to view and print my complete schedule, and this one to pay my fees online with a credit or debit card. If for any reason I need to drop a course from my schedule, I can do so by clicking the reference number button again. Now my course has a letter D next to it to indicate that it's being dropped. I would click Update Now to confirm the drop. If I change my mind, I can add it back to my schedule by clicking Cancel Drop. It's important to note that updating your schedule does not save your schedule. You must click the View, Print, Schedule, and Fees button in order to confirm your schedule. This is what the printable view of your schedule looks like. Clicking this link will take you to the bookstore website where you can purchase any required textbooks, access codes, or other materials for your schedule of courses. Congratulations! You now know how to search for, add, and drop courses, as well as how to view and print your schedule and pay fees online.